Okay, so these are a continuation of yesterday's notes. What we're going to focus on today is the equation of a parabola that opens left or right. Yesterday we focused on equations of parabolas that opened up or down, okay? So you know that this one is going to be left or right. So you know this equation is going to be left or right because it's an x equals and now the y is squared. So this equation is a right or left. And so just like with opening up or down, if A is positive, it's opening to the right. If A is negative, it opens to the left. Just like, opening up or down, A is positive, A is negative. So A is still playing the same role. You just have to decide, once you decide if it's a right or left equation, does it open up or down? Now, because it's y squared, a couple things are going to change. Notice that h and k have switched, but your vertex is still hk. Your axis of symmetry is y equals k, which makes sense since the other one is x equals h, because if your parabola opens up, your axis of symmetry is a vertical line. If your parabola opens left or right, then your axis of symmetry is a horizontal line. Remember, the axis of symmetry still is cutting that parabola in half. Okay? And then notice that the focus and the directrix are now focusing on the h, because it's that x value that is going to shift now. And then finally, notice that the length of the latus rectum is still the same as before because it's on that A. And you guys, the lattice rectum goes through the focus, and it connects, it's a line that connects each side of the parabola with going through the focus, and that each side of the focus would be equal. So from the focus to the parabola is going to be the same distance as the focus on the other side, the focus to the parabola. So today what's going to happen is we're going to rewrite one of these equations, and then we will, using the completing the square. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to give you the focus and the vertex, or I'm going to give you the focus and the directrix. And from there, you're going to write an equation and then graph it. Okay?